Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you two best free of cost cleaner software for Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So on the first list we have the Scleaner. So now what you need to do, just open the web browser and in the Google search just search this application name as Scleaner by the Cleanmgr. Just search this name. So once you search this in the Google search, on the first list it will be shown its official website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you can see your releases, right? Just click on here, 15 plus releases, and now you can see here below, you can see here Scleaner 0.9.1 zip file. So if it is not enabled, as you can see assets, if it is just like this, if it is not open, then just click on it to view the file and just select the zip file to download this file. So just download it. So it is being downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close the web browser. Now just extract the zip file. So now you can see a folder. Now here you will see two kind of application, right? You can use either any one of it. So the below one is for the 64-bit. It will work both in 64-bit, and the first one is into 86, so it will be for 32-bit operating system. So if you're using a 64-bit Windows operating system, you can use the down one, and even you can use the 32-bit version also, that is written with into 86. But if you're using a 32-bit Windows operating system, then you can use the first one. So I'll just open the down one. You can use either one of two if you're using a Windows 64-bit. So I'll just double left click it to open or run the installer. Since it is a portable version software, so we don't need to install. So you can see its user interface. So you can see it's very minimalistic design. So there are some options that you can select or unselect. That is, you can just tick or uncheck, or you can check. So if you want everything, then you can select everything, and if you don't want some settings, then you can just untick. If you don't want, then you can just untick it, and if you want to keep it as by default, then you can keep it. So once your all selections is done, now you can see your scan. You can just click on scan. Now it will display in the red mark, as you can see. So you can clean this much of files under each section. So once you have found everything, now you can see here it's written clean, right? Just once you click on clean, it will start cleaning. So wait for a few seconds. So once everything has turned into a green color, that means everything has been cleaned successfully. So this is a very easy software, yet very useful. Then you can definitely try this free of cost cleaner software for Windows computer to clean everyday junk and temporary files or any other left out files that are accumulating your hard disk space. So definitely try it out by yourself. So on the second list we have the Cleanmgr Plus. So once again open any web browser and in the Google search just search the application name as Cleanmgr Plus. Once you search this application in the Google search, you can see its official website on the first list. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website. On the right side you can see here download. Just click on it to download it. Now click on download. So start downloading. Wait for a few seconds. So the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close the web browser. Now it's again a zip file. Just double left click it to extract it. So you can see a folder name Cleanmgr. So now you can see on the bottom the third file Cleanmgr first. Just double left click it. Just click on OK. Now you can see it's user interface. So here you can see two different layouts, right? So you might confuse which one to choose, which one not to choose, right? So if you're non-tech users, that means you don't have much knowledge about what to select, what not to select, then the first option is definitely for you. So let me click and open this file. So you can see here it will display you the drives, so it will show all the drives. So if you have partition, then you can select. So say we'll select Windows C, that is the system drive, and click on OK. It will start scanning automatically. Now you can see here it's very minimalistic design, right? So it's showing this much of size of files that can be cleaned out or removed. So you can select this. If you want to remove all the files, then just click on the files to delete, then it will select all the options. And if you just untick the top one, then you can select manually which one you want to clean or remove. You can just select manually also. I'll just select all the files right now, and on the right bottom you can see it's written clean now. When you click on clean now, it will ask you, are you sure? Click on yes. Wait for a few seconds until it's completely cleaning out. So everything has been cleaned out. So this is about the first option. So once again, open the same application, that is the Cleanmgr Plus. Now we have already seen about the Cleanmgr, and now we'll choose the Cleanmgr Plus. So what it provides. So when you open the Cleanmgr Plus option, it will provide you much more options than the earlier one. So you can see here tons of options which are not shown in the earlier Cleanmgr option. So in the Cleanmgr Plus you will get more options to search. So here one thing is very important, since this one you can see the system error memory dump files. So this is the main reason. If it keeps on accumulating on your hard disks, sometimes you can see a major problem of BSOD, that is the blue screen of death. Sometimes you may face something that a blue color occurs and your system failed to boot or failed to run and suddenly turns off, right? This is due to this accumulation of system error memory dump files. So definitely you can use this Cleanmgr Plus option to clean system error memory dump files. You can select the rest part of the options also, but in this System Manager Plus, this option is very important, that you regularly or weekly just clean this system error memory dump files to keep your Windows computer get rid of BSOD, that is the blue screen of death. So just select it, and just you can see on the up clean up, just double click it, click on yes. So you can see here a massive congratulations, your system is clean. So the system error memory dump files has been cleaned successfully. So these are the two best free of cost cleaner software for Windows computer. So in my opinion, definitely try it out. And if you find any difficulty in using these two applications, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.